Hi there, thanks for clicking. Welcome to our new episode. In this episode, we are going to learn how we can replace the most common word with another similar word. Today, we have a common word, difference. In our daily life, we use the word difference many times. Let's find out how we can replace it. The first example we have, there is a huge difference between them. Instead of that, you can say, there is a huge contrast between them. The second one we have, there is a lot of difference between Sonali and Munira. Instead of that, you can say, there is a lot of dissimilarity between Sonali and Munira. Example 3. Jerin found a huge difference in her business statement. Instead of that, you can say, Jerin found a huge inequity in her business statement. Example 4. Forget all the difference and shake hands. Instead of that, you can say, forget all the disagreement and shake hands. The last one we have, our teacher generally found a huge difference in our question paper and answer. Instead of that, you can say, our teacher generally found a huge contradictions in our question paper and answer. In this way, we can learn many new similar vocabulary.